In this video, we're going to talk about a brand new high-speed camera for content creators, Pixboom. Real quick, you're watching VP Land. Special thanks to our sponsors, Blackmagic, View, and LucidLink for helping make our NAB coverage possible. And now, back to the video. We're here with Hong Xiao at Pixboom. So tell me what we have going on here.
Hi everyone, we are Pixboom, a startup that makes slow motion cameras, not just for, but also with content creators. Today we showcase our Pixboom Spark. We like to bring new spark to the community, and it's a slow motion camera that can support up to like 1,800 FPS for 2K resolution and 1,000 FPS for 4K resolution. All this is powered up by a BSI global shutter S35 sensors, and and we can have a look at this. And since these high-speed cameras can stream up to like 10 gigabytes per second data, and we have a unpluggable SSD here, and it's removable, and when it gets full, you can directly pull it out and plug in a new one and continue playing with it. And we also have for monitoring, we have Tailgate SDI, HDMI 2.0, and both for 4K monitoring. And we have on top screen, and then you can it's a touch screen, and we control the camera via it. And we also have the screen buttons. If you don't like the touch screen, you can just have it locked and use the screen button. We have the screw wheel to swipe through the footage to find the moments you want, and that's it.
I see an antenna here.
Yeah. It's for it's a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for remote controlling via mobile apps. For controlling, we also have an external port here. It's a serial port that you can do programming on it to control the camera from tens of meters away. And we also have pogo pins here. You can connect to a grip or handle here to do controlling.
So you said you could connect a USB C drive, a solid state drive. So how, if you're recording at 2K 1800 frames per second, how long? How big?
It depends, because the frame rates may be different, but for full frame rates, full resolution, it's about 10 minutes for or 2.4 terabytes SSD drive.
Okay, 2.4 terabytes per 10 minutes. 10 minutes recording, 2.5 terabytes. Okay, and similar if you're at 4K, 1,000 frames per second.
It's similar because the bandwidth is similar. Because the 4K we have lower frame rates. It's just 1,000 FPS. But for 4K and for 2K the frame rate is higher.
When it's recording, what format options and color space options do we have?
We got ProRes, and from ProRes 422 LT to 422 HQ, which provides support sRGB and BT 2020, and especially we provide a raw solution that you can get raw data from it. It's much more flexible for color shadings.
Okay, so is there a raw format? Is that what you mentioned?
It's our private raw format. We provide software on PC or Mac OS to convert it into Cinema DNG.
Okay, so you recorded the raw format, put it on a computer, and with your software convert it
do some conversion to Cinema DNG.
Okay, and then can export it out to a format that you want. Okay. What type of lens mount options are you going to have?
We provide logged and electronic E-mount, and also our PR mount.
Okay, I know it's kind of prototype. Do you have availability?
We will in Kickstarter 7 months later, maybe in July or August.
Okay.
And we ship to the global shipping.
Okay. Do you know pricing?
Actually, we haven't defined yet because it's our first time to come to NAB. We would like to listen to our customers, get their suggestions or opinions. So just keep it secret, but must be a very surprising price compared to traditional high-speed cameras. It's not for scientific use, but for content creators. So it's very affordable.
Okay. And what type of use cases do you see? You've mentioned content creators. What use cases do you see with this?
There's so many, advertisements, serials, and daily shooters that they can shoot sports, animals, and there are some educators to coaches to help dancers to correct their position or their movements. That's so many.
Well, that's awesome. Where can people find out more information?
You can have a look at our website, is pixboom.com, and we also have a community. Please join our community. It's just community.pixboom.com.
All right, cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Josh.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to our sponsors for helping make our NAB coverage possible. For all of our videos on NAB, check out our playlist right here, and I'll catch you in the next episode.